We're just going to have a quick look at the sound and get the sound effect in. So I forgot to do this in the first video. So we're just going to make sure we add the sound now. So you might just see, if you look at your editing panel here, that there's a second track here called A1. So V1 is video 1, video track 1. A1 is audio track 1. That's the sound files that go with these video clips. But there's just a flat line along the whole of that. That's because there is no sound with those video files. The sound is just blank, there's nothing there. So actually you can just highlight those and press delete on your keyboard and get rid of all that sound, because there is no sound in those files at the moment. Make sure you leave your video. Okay, so we should see the images, but the sound was completely blank. There's no point having that there. Now we know from the storyboard that we need a sound effect with the main title. And actually, I think most of the storyboards recommend that you have, or say to have it with the end title sequence. And I would put it on the end title as well for this one. Let's make it even better. It will make the video better. So the sound effect is here. It says title sound effect. And if you drag and drop it in, you can place it under the bit that you know is your title. So you might have to zoom in so you can see. I've got main titled MP4, and my sound effect fits nicely under there. I'm also going to put it at my end title, so scrolling along. There it is. I'm going to drag it in again and pop it in there. So you're just lining it up, and that just means it's going to play at the same time. So you've got time going across the top here, okay, and it means it's going to play at the same time. So I'm just going to play that now. You may be able to pick this up. I'm going to go back to the beginning here with that arrow. I'm going to press play. You might be able to hear this. Okay, we're going to add more sound later. We'll find a music track to add, but for now, that's all you need to do with the sound.